The 2026 Shelby Ford F-150 Raptor has officially arrived, and it's nothing short of a monster. Ford and Shelby have taken the already aggressive and powerful Raptor platform and turned it into a fire-breathing, high-performance off-road beast that's engineered to dominate absolutely everything in its path. This isn't just a truck, it's a statement. And today, we're taking a first look at what makes this machine one of the most exciting releases of the year. Right off the bat, the exterior design is a visual punch to the face. Shelby's DNA is all over this thing. Massive custom wheels, wide-body fenders, aggressive hood vents, and a reworked front fascia scream power and presence. The stance is meaner, the lines are sharper, and the detailing is more refined than anything we've seen on a production F-150. The grille is bold and proudly displays the Shelby name, with integrated LED lighting that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. But this isn't just about looking good. Every design cue serves a purpose, whether it's for cooling, aerodynamics, or sheer intimidation on the road and trail. Under the hood is where things get truly insane. Ford already equipped the Raptor with a potent twin-turbocharged V6, but Shelby went even further. Reports say they've dropped in a supercharged V8, rumored to push over 800 horsepower. That's Hellcat territory, but in a truck built to fly over sand dunes and tear through rocky trails. The sound alone is enough to make your heart skip a beat. Deep, raw, American muscle, every throttle blip feels like thunder. This isn't just performance, it's attitude, and it's not just about power. The suspension system has been completely overhauled with high-performance Fox live valve shocks, allowing the Shelby Raptor to adjust in real time to changing terrain. Whether you're blasting through the desert, crawling over rocks, or flying down a highway, the truck knows how to adapt. It's an intelligent beast, one that gives you total control while delivering an experience that feels wild and untamed. Inside the cabin, Shelby didn't cut any corners. You've got premium leather seats with Shelby branding, carbon fiber accents, and performance-oriented touches throughout. The digital instrument cluster is sharp and fully customizable, while the massive touchscreen gives you full command over drive modes, off-road settings, cameras, and connectivity. It's luxury meets race-ready tech. This truck makes you feel like you're sitting in the cockpit of something far more expensive and exclusive. Shelby also added a number of bespoke details to make sure you never forget what you're driving. From custom badging to embroidered seats and even a dash plaque with the build number, everything reminds you that you're behind the wheel of something rare and special. This isn't mass-produced. It's handcrafted performance wrapped in unmistakable Shelby attitude. But let's talk about what this truck actually does. It's built to handle punishment, a serious punishment. With reinforced underbody protection, off-road bumpers, and upgraded differentials, the 2026 Shelby Raptor is ready for anything. Sand, mud, snow, rocks, you name it. And it does it with more power and confidence than almost any other truck on the planet. The acceleration is brutally quick for something this size. From 0 to 60 in what's likely under 4 seconds, it's hard to believe this thing weighs over 6,000 pounds. And yet, it drives like a high-performance SUV when it needs to, and a Baja trophy truck when you ask it to. There's also no denying the visual impact. This truck turns heads everywhere. Whether you're pulling up to a gas station, rolling down the freeway, or showing up to a car meet, all eyes are on the Shelby. It has that rare mix of menace and elegance, a perfect balance of muscle and sophistication. You don't just drive this thing. You arrive in it. So what does all this mean? It means Ford and Shelby have raised the bar again. The 2026 Shelby Ford F-150 Raptor isn't just a truck. It's a machine built to conquer land, make noise, and demand attention. It's a nod to everything enthusiasts love: raw power, rugged performance, and design that refuses to blend in. If you're someone who wants to be seen, heard, and respected, this is the truck for you. Shelby and Ford didn't just unleash a monster. They created a legend in the making.